When you're first getting started with your library research, we highly recommend that you start out at Wayne College Library's website. You can find our website by going to the Wayne College website and then finding the link to the library, or you can simply enter in our web address, which is wayne.uakron.edu/library. Once you're on our website, you'll notice that it's fairly streamlined. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but what we wanted to do was to put our most commonly used research tools right up front where you can access them right away. So you'll see it right underneath our announcements that we have this search box with multiple tabs, and right below it, it will give you the option to search specific databases, just to go directly into either the UA Libraries catalog or the OhioLink catalog, or select a database by title or subject, which we'll come to this in just a little bit. I first just wanted to take a look at the search box and what your options are here. The first tab, which is listed as Books, will allow you to perform a search in the UA Libraries catalog. You simply enter in your search strategy, select Search, and then it will perform a search in the catalog. And the results that you will get will be from the Wayne College Library as well as the libraries up at the Akron campus. Now the next tab, if you switch to the Articles tab, will allow you to perform a search in the Academic Search Complete database, which is one of our larger periodical databases. A lot of our students have really good initial success in this database because it covers a lot of territory, has a lot of different topics included, and it has a lot of full text of journal and magazine and newspaper articles. So it's a great place to start for that. Simply select the Articles tab, enter in your search terms, and select Search. The next tab will perform a search using the Google Scholar search engine, followed by Zip Search. Now Zip Search is a really large database that allows you to search multiple databases at once. So if you're not quite sure of what format you want, or you're not quite sure what database to search, it's a good place to start, but you'll cover a lot of territory all at once. If you perform a zip search, you'll be getting results from the library's catalog, as well as a lot of our subscription research databases. However, you won't be searching all of our databases, just the ones that are included, but it's a good place to start. The last tab that's listed as Journal Titles will allow you to locate specific journals in various databases. So if you weren't sure which database to find, say, Psychology Today or another journal title, you can enter in the journal title. It will perform a search and let you know which databases index that particular journal and where you might be able to find the full text of that journal. So that's a really helpful resource. Now over here, under Search Other Databases, if you wanted to choose a different database, of course you can go into either of these catalogs, but if you wanted to see a list of all of our databases, and we have hundreds of them, you can select Databases by Title or Subject, and then you have the option to, you can browse by title. If you're not quite sure what the title is, just look at an alphabetical list. You can search by title, so if you know the name of a database and you want to locate it quickly, you can type in Education Research Complete, Psych Info, Sport Discus, whatever the name of the database you're looking for, and then select Search. However, if you don't know a specific database and you just want to find one on a particular topic area, you can browse using this drop-down Subject Search. Now this first looks at some very broad categories like arts and humanities, health and science. These are really broad categories with a lot of different databases listed underneath it. But if you scroll just past these broad categories, you'll see an alphabetical list of more specific topics. For example, if you're interested in psychology, you can scroll down until you see psychology. And then once you select that topic, then you'll be presented with databases that include that topic area. And then you can go ahead and go into the individual databases. For example, here's a Psych Info. You just simply click on the title, and then you're going to be in the database where you can start searching. Now, back on our library's website, this is where you would get started to start doing your research, but if you needed more information about the library, our services, other resources, you can go ahead and take a look at that, and probably most importantly, how to contact us if you need help, and we really encourage you to do that. We're more than happy to help, especially if you can't find a good place to start or if the databases aren't working for you. Please just reach out. Our motto is just ask, and we really do mean it, and we want you to reach out if you need help. So at any time, please just contact the library staff if you need help with your library research.